Hey guys, we've got a special episode of the Reimagine series. Today we're here in Tifton at Turner's Distribution Center. We're going to give you a little behind the scenes look at what it takes to get furniture from our floor to your door. Come on, let's go inside and take a look.
You're watching the Reimagine series.
The enormous 100,000 square foot distribution center is an impressive sight to see.
Prior to 2003, we operated with 2 warehouses, and each store kind of did their own deliveries. We decided there's got to be a better way, and we built this distribution center. And now we can be a lot more efficient.
The distribution center and the delivery teams cover most of Southwest Georgia and North Central Florida. And by having a centralized location, it allows Turner's Furniture to meet the demand of the stores while also helping improve the overall customer experience.
Every purchase that's made in one of our stores comes through here, and we process all that here. We get it all ready here, make sure everything's in perfect shape for the customers. And it's set out on one of our 9 delivery trucks that goes out every day.
But before the trucks head out early each morning, so much happens behind the scenes in order to get your furniture to your home. You know, things might seem a little chaotic, but it's really a rhythmic harmony of many teams working together. The whole process begins when Turner's purchases furniture from its vendors. Then the trucks arrive here at the distribution center.
All of the furniture that is bought comes in here and is received, put away in the racks that you see here behind me.
Once you purchase the perfect furniture to reimagine your space, the delivery department takes over.
Once the delivery is scheduled from the stores, we have to call the customer 2 days out in order to confirm the delivery.
We have routers who will plan a couple of days in advance the scheduling and the delivery routes.
We added a routing software for our deliveries, and we do about 100 deliveries a day, so we're able to route those deliveries in about 45 minutes each day.
The day before your furniture is to be delivered, lifts race across the warehouse as your items are retrieved from the many rows of furniture.
We start early in the mornings pulling the orders down to the lines. All that furniture is positioned and lined up, and our openers come in. They open everything up, assemble it, get it ready to be loaded onto the trucks in the order that it needs to be unloaded. The delivery teams will come in at the end of their delivery day, and they'll load for the next day.
They go from the last stop to the first stop. So the first stop that begins the morning will be up to the very front.
This is stop 10.
They take care to inspect the furniture and load up for the next morning.
Yes, ma'am, they're actually there. I guess is someone there to meet them?
Outside of the warehouse, there's a team of people who work to make sure customer satisfaction doesn't end with the delivery.
Just following up on your delivery that you had today. How did everything go for you? Good. Good to hear. I'm glad you had a good experience. We do appreciate your business. Follow-ups are important just to get a feedback for us, as a whole, to make sure that we did our job. That's the end game, is for the customer to be happy. And if they have an issue, we just take care of it.
As hard as we try to minimize any issues, we know things will happen from time to time. And that's why having a service department is so important. From ordering parts to making house calls, the service team is dedicated to fixing what needs to be fixed. This allows us to be more efficient and take care of you in the fastest way possible. The desire for efficiency and complete customer satisfaction stems from the work ethic and relationships of the family behind the success of the company. The Turner brothers are not your typical business owners.
When I first started, I was in one store and had that responsibility of that one store, and we had about 10 employees, and we were growing.
Don't really think about it getting to be like this. It just sort of evolved and grew. We knew we wanted to grow, but we didn't anticipate exactly what it would be like.
Being involved, it's just what we do.
Austin and Fortson, wherever they needed at, man, they come out and give a hand.
They'll make house calls and they'll do whatever, we need their help with.
I think they value their employees. They come in and they say good morning every morning to us, and I think that's very important for them to acknowledge us as a family, as we consider ourselves a Turner family.
I've never been a part of a company that the owners were so closely involved and on site.
They're always available, to call if we need anything.
They cared about the employees.
They cook for us, they see about us, they keep us fed.
I think they like to see us out here burning up, breathing on the smoke.
We have great employees. We got many employees that have been with us 10, 15, up to 35 years. And they are the reason that we're successful. They're the ones that take care of the customers and make the customers want to come back.
The way that Austin and Fortson treat the employees really filters down into how the customers are treated.
All of our experience with Turner's has been just wonderful. I had some special requests for my delivery, and the guys that brought it were just very accommodating. It says a lot about Turner's, how they try to please their customers.
We care about the customers, and we want to make sure that everything goes smoothly and that we keep our customers happy.
As you can see, a lot goes on here at the distribution center. I hope you've enjoyed just a little glimpse of what it takes to get furniture from our floor to your door. See you next time on the Reimagine series. Keep up with the Reimagine series on Facebook, or leave us a comment, give us a call, or stop by the store. We'll be happy to help you.